Hello students, today we will see problem number 18 from chapter superposition of wave. So see this problem, a string 1 meter long is fixed at one end, the other end is moved up and down with frequency 50 Hertz. Frequency is given to you 15 Hertz. Due to this, a stationary wave with 4 complete loop get produced on the string. Find the speed of progressive wave which produces stationary wave. Now, suppose this is 1 meter long string, it is tied to one end and its other end is free as per the condition of problem. And here, this free end, it is moved up and down with certain energy. So, we must understand that when it is moved up and down, antinode is formed at this free end, because antinode is a point on stationary wave which shows maximum amplitude. So this is antinode, and further that it is given in the problem that 4 complete loops are formed. 4 loops are formed. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this one is antinode. So in theory we have studied that the length of one loop, it is lambda by 2. So according to the condition of problem, 1 meter, this length, complete length is 1 meter. 1 meter is equal to 4 times lambda by 2, as there are 4 loops. 4 times lambda by 2 plus lambda by 4. This distance is lambda by 4. So we can solve it. 2 lambda plus lambda by 4. It becomes 8 lambda, 9 lambda by 4. 9 lambda by 4. So lambda is equal to 4 by 9 meter. We get the wavelength according to the condition of problem. But we require velocity, and we know that what is formula for velocity? V is equal to n lambda. N means frequency. Frequency is given to you 15 Hertz. So substitute here 15 Hertz. Lambda by 4 means 4 by 9. So it is 16 by 9. Six point, again 6 and again 6. So this will be velocity of the stationary wave. See, this is problem number 20. A violin string vibrate with fundamental frequency 440 Hertz. What are the frequency of first and second overtone? This problem is very simple, but we must understand that the string of violin, it is tied between 2 rigid support, and when it vibrates, stationary wave is produced, and the vibration of this string, it is same as that of vibration of string, as we have studied in the theory. So whenever any string vibrates with certain frequency, then remember all possible harmonics, odd as well as even harmonics, are present in the vibration. So if fundamental frequency of vibration of this string, suppose it is n, then the next harmonic, that is second harmonic, it will be twice n, then thrice n, then 4n, 5n, and so on. Means even as well as odd harmonics are present in the vibration of string. So this is the hint of problem. All harmonics are present in vibration of string. And what we require? See this problem. We require frequencies of first and second overtone. So the frequency which is immediate after fundamental frequency, that will become first harmonic, and the frequency which is next to this, it will become second harmonic. So first overtone, it will be twice n, and the value of n is, fundamental frequency is given to you. So answer will be 880 hertz. Then second overtone, it becomes 3 times n. So 3 times 440, 1320 hertz. These are the two answers. Problem number 21. A set of 8 tuning fork is arranged in series of increasing order of frequencies. Each fork gives 4 beats per second with next one, and the frequency of last fork is twice that of first. Calculate the frequency of first and last fork. So there are 8 tuning forks, and these tuning forks are arranged in the series of increasing order of frequency. So suppose n1, n2, n3, n4, n5, n6, n7, n8, all these are the frequencies of tuning fork, and these frequencies are arranged in increasing order in this way. n2 is greater than n1, n3 is greater than n2, n4 is greater than n3, and so on. And it is given that each fork gives 4 beats per second with next. Beat frequency is 4, and we know that beat is nothing but difference of frequency. Beat frequency is nothing but difference of frequency, higher minus lower. So n2 is higher, so n2 minus n1, we get 4 here. n3 minus n2, 4. n4 minus n3, 4. n5 minus n4, 4, in this way. So what we can write here, n2, n1 plus 4. Now if we take subtraction between n3 and n1, n3 and n1, so it becomes n3, n1 plus 8. Understood? This 8 I can write n1 plus 2 times 4. Here 4 is nothing but beat frequency, 2 times 4. So in this way we can create a particular equation for n8. This n8, it can be related with n1 plus, instead of this 2, now I will write down 8 minus 1. Why 8? Because there are 8 tuning fork. 8 minus 1, that means 7 into 4. So in this problem there are only 8 tuning forks are given. So you can solve this up to n8, but sometimes in some problem 32 tuning forks are given, 52 tuning forks are given. So for that case, simply remember this equation: n last means last frequency is equal to n1 first frequency plus number of tuning fork minus 1, always number of tuning fork minus 1 into beat frequency. Remember this equation. You can directly use this equation for any type of problem. So here n8 is equal to n1 plus, this is 7 into 4, 28. It is given to you that the last fork having frequency, the last fork is twice that of first. Last fork is twice that of first. That means N8 is equal to 2 times N1. This is given to you. So substitute here. What do we get? 2 times N1, N1 plus 28. It becomes N1 is equal to 28 Hertz. So first frequency becomes 28 Hertz. So naturally, what will be the last frequency? N8, it is last frequency. So N8 2 times 28. So N8 is equal to 56 Hertz. These are two solutions, first frequency and last frequency. Problem number 22. A sonometer wire is stretched by tension 40 Newton. It vibrates unison with tuning fork of frequency 384 Hertz. How many number of beats get produced in 2 seconds if the tension in the wire is decreased by 1.24 Newton? So we have studied the theory of sonometer. In sonometer experiment, this is a box, sonometer box, and on this sonometer box, such type of one rigid support, and to this rigid support there is a string attached and it passes over pulley and tension is added in a hanger, so that this string is allowed to vibrate under a particular tension. These are two knife edges. So this is very simplest theory. It is given to you that tension on the sonometer wire is 40 Newton. So let us consider T1, tension applied 40 Newton, and when this wire is vibrating under this tension, it unison with a tuning fork of frequency 384 Hertz. That means the frequency of vibration of this wire and the frequency of vibration of tuning fork, it is unison. Unison means same. So that first frequency, it becomes 384 Hertz. Now according to the formula, N is equal to 1 upon twice L under root T by M. We know that the frequency may change either by length, either by tension, or either by linear mass density. So in this problem, there is change in tension. What is given to you? How many number of beats get produced in 2 seconds if the tension in the wire is decreased by 1.24 Newton? That means there is change in tension. Tension change. It is decreased by 1.24. So initially it is 40 minus 1.24. It becomes 6, 7, 40, 1.24, 6, 7, 8 and 3. 38.76 Newton. This is the new tension. So when this tension is acting on the string, what will be? Initially we have to find out what will be the frequency of vibration of string. N2 we have to find out. From this formula, what we can state? N is directly proportional to root T. That means N1 upon N2 root T1 upon root T2. So we have to solve this for N2. So what we can write? N2, N1 is given to you 384, N2 is unknown, that we have to find out. Root T1 means root 40 and root 38.76 root T2. So N2 is equal to 384 into root 38.76 upon root 40. So N2 is equal to 384 root 38.76 upon root 40. This calculation is approximately 0.984 multiplied by 384. It is near about 378 hertz. This is second frequency, and first frequency is 384 hertz. So look at the difference. This is first frequency, this is second frequency. The difference is of 6. So beat frequency, it is n1 minus n2, 384 minus 378, 6 hertz. So remember, beat frequency, it is always per second, difference of frequency per second, and we have asked beats get produced in 2 seconds. So for 2 seconds, this frequency will be 2 times. So answer will be 12 hertz.